Have you been searching for the perfect family vehicle with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Honda Odyssey in Crystal Black Pearl. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, power sliding doors, rear DVD entertainment, power sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6142A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.